today I'm going to demonstrate how to use Excel pivot table to convert a stack data file into a panel data file and plot a time series graph. So I'm going to use the OECD countries house price indices data. So here we search OECD data, housing prices OECD data, which provides you several choices of OECD countries house price information. Here, if you pull down the perspective, it allows you to choose either nominal house price, real house price, rent price, price to rental ratio, or price to income ratio. So today, let's show you compare the real house prices of OECD countries. And then you can choose the countries that you like in this pull-down menu. So I'm going to compare the 10 countries, including the Canada, Australia, Germany, France, United Kingdom, Italy, Japan, Korea, and New Zealand, without showing OECD. And it is normalized it into 100 in year 2015 and quarterly data from 2015 quarter one to 2023 quarter one, the latest one. So here shows you the chart one by one, but we can draw our own chart by downloading the full set of data. So here shows you the full set of data, including column one, which shows the country's code, AUS stands for Australia. And then column two is about the subject, the real house price. And using the 2015 index, and the frequency is quarterly, from 2015 quarter one to 2023 quarter one. And here is the indices. But unfortunately, if you scroll down the data set, you will find that indeed it is in a stack data format. So all countries are shown in sequential orders. So it's very difficult to carry out analysis and graph plotting. So today, we are going to use pivot table function to convert this stack data file into a matrix form panel data set. So it's very easy. Just put the cursor on the top left and choose insert. Convert the whole data file into a table form first. So if the data range is correct and include the first row as the header with a tick automatically here, you click OK, then you will turn into this blue color table format. Then insert again and make use of the leftmost button, the pivot table function. Then it asks you whether you are going to build a new pivot table with the range of data from this table one into a new worksheet. If yes, then click OK. So here shows you the pivot table. In order to build it into a matrix form, let's say, for example, we prefer to have time as the vertical column, and then country as the horizontal matrix. So we put location variable into the columns. Then it immediately shows country one by one. And the time in quarter drag it into the rows, then immediately it shows this matrix form with quarters on the left and then countries on the top. And you simply drag the values into the values box, but instead of calculating the sum, you click and change the value field setting and choose average. And if you do not like so many decimal places, you can also format the number. Click number and 2 decimal places. Okay. Then it becomes a neat table with countries and quarters in corresponding to their house price indices in a panel data format. You can also put a filters here. Say, for example, if you do not like so many countries, then you can drag the location again into this filter box and select multiple items, unclick all, and select the 10 countries you are going to analyze. France, Britain, Italy, Japan, Korean, and New Zealand, and USA. And now we have the 10 countries real house price indices from 2015 Q1 to 2023 Q1 in a panel data format. Then you simply click insert like chart and choose the chart you like, and it automatically will plot the 10 countries real house price indices with all the corresponding legends, axes provided. That's all for today. Thank you.